And we have with us the Sandip Agarwal, Fund Manager, Sowilo Investment Managers, to talk about Wipro earnings. Sandeep, hi. My first question to you. Now, this is the fourth IT earnings. So, what is your first reaction on the numbers?
No, so revenue numbers are looking slightly better than what was expected, right? Everyone was expecting around 3% kind of quarter-on-quarter CC decline, 2.5 to 3%. I think against that, the numbers are broadly flattish. It is down very less. We don't know actually the impact of the currency yet, but the dollar numbers are looking better. So I think from a revenue perspective, it is looking okay. And we have not been able to yet dissect the margin numbers, but we have to see that. But prima facie, the number which are flashing on the channel on the revenue front, they are looking decent. And the guidance range is -1 to +1 for Q2. That I think is little muted, but given the environment which is going on in the sector, I think this should also be more or less in expected lines.
So numbers on expected lines, if you can see on the first instance, but till now the IT companies have posted better margins as far as if you talk about TCS, you talk about HCL Tech as well as Tech Mahindra. What is the expectation and what kind of ground is there for the IT sector per se?
No, so the results have been mixed back till now. For example, TCS, while margins were okay, there was the revenue disappointment was bigger. Again, in case of HCL, it was exactly opposite. While revenues were broadly in line, but the margins were quite disappointing. So right till and Tech Mahindra's case, everything was more or less in line. So the three companies have given three different kind of results. In case of Wipro, there is a slightly better numbers on the revenue front, and also the guidance is more or less on expected lines. So I would say that in fact all the four numbers are slightly different and contradictory, but broadly this sector is very matured right now, and I don't expect much growth for the large caps in the sector. And based on that growth numbers and pressure on margins which can come naturally due to wage hikes, I think the sector will have a muted kind of environment for some time to come.
All right, Sandeep, thank you so much for joining and sharing your views on Wipro as well as IT sector. We'll connect with you once again once we have more detailed numbers from Wipro. But for now, we also have Aditya Shah.